Hi, thanks for coming back to My Little Crafty Secret. For the June edition of Smash Our Stash, we are smashing our kits. I have a number of kits that I have just bought and have not even dug into them, didn't even break the seal. There's some that I've broken the seal and just kind of used bits and pieces, but I still have a lot left. I still have a lot to go through, but I did want to share what I was able to actually finish. I think I don't remember now, but I believe it was six kits that I finished. So let's get into it. And I'm so happy because, you know, I broke into one kit that was back from December 2020. And yeah, it's just, I really gotta use my kit. So I was really happy to break into it and get what I bought from it. So I will share this kit right here. This one came from I think this was the Easter edition for Simon Says Stamp. They had a special Easter edition, and I bought it, and I did do most of the kit. I did complete most of it, but I still had a lot of scraps left over. And plus the foiling, I'd never done foiling before, and I was really delaying on it because I don't have any foiling machine. I just had to use a laminator. So this is just kind of what I got out of my scraps. These are really bare bones scraps. Yeah, and you know, Easter is gone, but it's always good for next year. This is super cute. Again, this is just using one piece of foil. Did the best I can with the laminator, and actually came out pretty cute. At least I thought it did. And I got a lot out of the foil. I mean, I know I didn't cover every single piece, but yeah, this is super cute. And the foil was about maybe this big. I just had to keep placing it over and over again. So this is super cute. I really like how this came out. So that's one kit. And that will go over here. And I previously shared, I think it was the last episode of Smash Our Stash. And I did share some cards from a Michaels kit I got from my crafty day. And I didn't finish two of the cards. And I wanted just to share how I finished those off. That doesn't belong there. So yeah, I put this off to the side because these are rainbows, and I love rainbows. My daughter loves rainbows. So this was really cute. I had fun making that one. And this one I definitely had fun making too. So that's kit number 2. And this is a newer kit. This is actually, sorry, yeah, this is actually a newer kit. And I believe this was the regular monthly April edition of Simon Says Stamp, their kit. And so I, again, had a lot of scraps left over, so I decided just to finish it off. And I also have another brag book to share. So with the cards, I like how these came out, the strips. Super cute. This actually came from my Pink and Main December card kit. Super cute, love it. These are kind of placed strategically. I try to make them straight enough. This is actually I cut out these two skates in this section that I liked, and I actually have it right here. You guys can see. And I did that because I had intended to put back like a stamped cutout image here in place of those. So I was trying to be creative. Okay, so here's my brag book. There's just some extra papers. This helps me just really get through the stash quickly. And it came out super nice. Super nice. I actually pieced some papers together to make a fold back. So that's the third kit. Now, the Pink and Mane that I keep referencing, I have it here. And again, this is just more scraps I'm trying to get through. I even pulled in some ribbon there. And these, man, these are probably my favorite. Out of everything, well, I don't know, this was pretty, you know, these are really nice too, but I just love the way this came out. I think they're so pretty. And I've been using these sequins on other cards. They just seem to go well with a lot of other things. This wasn't even part of the kit, but I pulled it in because I'm trying to smash my stash. Super cute. Love it. Oh my goodness. Super cute. And then I'm just trying to use up stuff here, but I thought this would look kind of cute. Kind of reminds me of, like, you know, those cell phones that have a bunch of shells on them, but that's what it kind of reminds me of. So I decided to stitch it together rather than doing it like this, because this paper is so pretty. I do not want to cover it up. I was able to keep the whole 6x6. Look at that beauty. I love this. This is how I like to show off my paper. So nice. I really like that. I think it's really pretty. So that's 4. No, that's actually 5. And then these kits, this is actually, I forgot which one this was. I think this was the mom edition for Simon Says Stamp. I love Simon Says Stamp, obviously, but you know, I wanted to use this. Was actually quite easy to use. They didn't have that much paper, so it's quicker. But yeah, this was really cool. Really out of my box. This is not typical for me. I don't really like to use moths or butterflies. Yeah, it's not really my style. But super cute. Now this is interesting. There, you know, this has a hole in it because it came in a pad, and so I put them where the holes are, so I was able to keep the whole strip instead of cutting it out. This is cute. This looks like a quilt. This looks really cute. I like this. Well, that is 6 kits that I smashed this month, and I hope you like this project share. I'm gonna go ahead and share this over again. Kind of open it up. Please let me know which one of these cards or even the books, which ones you liked. Let me know. I'm very interested. I have many favorites. And let me know also if you have, or you're trying to work through stash your kits and it's been several years and it's the first time actually breaking it out, opening it up. Let me know. Very interested. Make sure you check out the other channels to see what they created this month. Oh my gosh, this is not even gonna fit. There's so much stuff here. And make sure you go check them out, and you can find the links to their channels in the description box below. Thanks everyone. Bye.